What up, YouTube? It's me. It's Mike. I'm back again with some more stuff. Why am I wearing these headphones? And I'm gonna do a product review. But the cool thing about this product is that it's free. It's more of a tool, really. More of a tool you would use in your design process, going back and forth with clients, answer complicated questions quickly. That's what this is about. In conversations, going back and forth with clients, going back and forth with jobs, going back and forth with developers or subcontractors or leads, anybody. Sometimes you gotta say something complex in a nice way, and typing it out just doesn't do it justice. It just doesn't do it justice. All emotion is lost in typing, in text. All sentiment. You can, it's somebody says, who is it? Some famous person. I don't remember who it is. I'm sorry. But some famous person says, if someone sends you a message and you're in a bad mood and you read that message, you're going to assume that the person that sent it to you is also in a bad mood. If you're in a great mood and someone sends you a message, you're going to assume the person that sent it to you is in a great mood. Depending on the mood that you're in when you read something affects the sentiment completely. It's a big deal. So if you could remove all of that quickly, then why wouldn't you? I would personally. I think it's a good idea. So we're gonna show you a program, and it's called Loom. It's really a good program. You know what? I'm gonna go to my website. Let's go to my website. All right. So here's my website. Now let's say I'm a client, right? And this is the website that I made for them. Instead of going like, I want to tell my developer to change this. I want to move this section down below this section, and then I want to change this wording, and then I want to swap this section. I want to swap these two things, and then I want to swap these two quotes here. I want to move this section above this section. Just blah, 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 blah. It would take forever to type out, right? So this is how easy it is. It's happening. Why can't I see my webcam? Can we switch to the shitty webcam? Shitty webcam. Can we switch to that one? We can't switch to shitty webcam? Why not? So why isn't my camera working? Loom. Why isn't my camera working? I have two cameras. I set up another camera for this so it would work. Why isn't it working? You suck, you suck, you suck. Hey, look, it's my shitty webcam down in the corner. You see it? Okay. I need to quickly tell my developer to make some changes. So here we're gonna go. This is what we're gonna do. You guys ready? Click Loom button. Click full desktop. Click start recording. I cannot believe this. All right, screen one, go. Are we recording? Why does it say start recording again? Start recording. Screen one. Oh man, here's a big UI no-no right here, guys. Here's a big UI no. Why is this button blue? You notice I clicked it the first time, just instinct, just went, yes, window, blue. Why would cancel be the button that's highlighted here? Like, that's really bad. Don't do that. Let's try that again, I guess. Loom, full desktop. Click start recording. Select the screen. Hit share, and then we're gonna go, hey developer, how's it going? I need you to change this to a better word. I need you to do this here, and I'm gonna need you to move this around and blah blah blah. You get it. Then you click this, bam. Now when you click that exclamation point, when you click that check mark, it immediately opens it in another window. All right, it titles it with the window you had open, and it's ready to go. Ready? Is anything coming out? It didn't record my sound? Loom! Oh my God. That was wrong. We're going to try it again. We're going to give Loom a fourth chance to work this time. Ready? Start recording. Select the desktop. Share. 3, 2, 1. Blah, blah, blah. I need this changed. I need that changed. I'm a pain in the ass, but I'm a little bit of a less of a pain in the ass because I'm telling you how to do this over video, which is slightly better. Why is this on my screen? Why would you put that on the screen? Are you serious? I don't know. I might not even tell people to get Loom now because it's ridiculous. All right, here we go. Here's the redeeming moment. Is there sound? What is going on with this program? Why are you such a piece of crap? Are you kidding me, dude? Bro, Yeti, start recording. Share. Is it recording? right, guys, I don't even know if I can release this video now, to be honest with you. What a disaster. We're going to try this the 6th time, all right? This is time 6, okay? I'll give it to time 8, and then that's it, but we're on 6. Here we go. Loom. Webcam. Yeti. Start recording. Yes, share that screen. Is this freezing now? Are you serious? Google Chrome just crashed. Just so you guys know. Here we go. We're gonna try Loom for the, is this 7? 5, 6, 7? The 7th time. Here we go. Hold on to your pants. Loom. Click the Loom button. Oh. No advanced settings this time, huh? Okay. Change my webcam back to the one that actually should be. Okay. And then change the mic back to the mic that it actually should be. The Yeti. As you can see, it's moving here. Ah! It's moving, so it seems to be like it's recording to me. But I could be wrong, as I usually am. I'm going to click start recording now. Now I'm going to select the screen, and I'm going to hit share. Okay. I'm going to hide this little annoying box, and then I'm going to talk a little bit. I hope to God that it's recording this time. I'm going to scroll through here. I'm going to be like, look at this. Wow, that's so neat. Look at that. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. Now we're going to stop the recording. Pow! And then it should instantly open up on the next screen. Should be ready to share. Click this play button. I'm going to hide this little annoying box, and then I'm going to talk a little bit. I hope to God that it's recording this time. I'm going to scroll through here. I'm going to be like, look at this. Wow, that's so neat. Look at that. Wow, 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 wow. Now we're going to stop the recording. We're going to stop the recording. Okay, it worked. Thank God it worked. Okay. If I take this link, let's open it incognitos. All right. This is what it looks like when you send it to your client. Pow! You open it up. It looks like this. Okay. Click play. I'm going to hide this little annoying box. And then, okay, it works like that. Bam! Loads really quick. They can write a comment if they want. Apparently they can write emojis now, which is stupid. But when they watch the video, you get an email that says, you can't see this shit. You can't see it. You can't even kind of see this, but you know what that says right there in that little tiny window right there? It says your video has been viewed. So when you send that to your client, it'll tell you when they view it. So as soon as they view it, wait for, 5 minutes or however long your video is, and then call them on the phone and be like, hey, did you see that video? What'd you think? They're going to be blown away. It's going to seem like you put a whole bunch of effort into communicating with your client. And in reality, you actually put in no effort. It's actually way less effort than typing a giant email. It's so much less effort, in fact. But when I get questions from people, I always use Loom to send back quick responses because it saves so much time. I'm much better on camera with my voice, just saying what needs to be said instead of typing it out. I'm not the best copywriter. I always kind of second guess everything I write. I'm always wondering if I spelled something wrong or said something incorrect or used the wrong there. We've all been there. Get it? Okay. When you send a video like this and it kind of seems spur of the moment, not only do you kind of get a pass for it not being perfect, but you also get credit for sending the video, having your face in the corner down there and explaining something. Your emotion comes off, your temperament comes off, your mood comes off. It's a really easy way to diffuse a kind of heightened emotional situation or an emotional conversation that you might be having with somebody, because you're able to quickly give your sentiment over video, which is always better than text. Always. If you can get the client on the phone, that's even better. But sometimes you don't have time. You just have like a couple seconds, 30 seconds, just wham out a video, review it, make sure it's okay, and send it over. It's super awesome. I love this software when it works When it doesn't work, it's the most frustrating thing on the planet, as you saw. Like, holy crap. It used to be better, but they're trying to make money with it now, so they're putting all this advertisement shit all over it. Pay no mind. Don't worry about it. Just use the free version, and I'll leave a link for it in the description. I think if you download this from my link, I'll probably get something out of it. But just so you know, this is not a sponsored video. These guys did not sponsor me. I think that's really obvious by how much shit I talked about. Don't worry about what I'm saying. Something in my eye. Oh god. Something flew in my eye. Ah! Try Loom. It's good. Get it. It's amazing. Kind of. Most of the time. It's good. It's good 80% of the time. Okay. Loom is really good. Sometimes it's used to record videos and it's really good. And sometimes that Loom doesn't work, but most of the time it does. And sometimes it works most of the time, but sometimes it doesn't work. And that's okay with me, cause it's free. Woo!